are here at Monroe's Hot Chicken Nashville style. Supposedly they have some super spicy chicken that you have to sign a waiver to even try. So we'll see. My wife is skeptical.
Chicken. Those are the chicken strips. Look amazing, babe. Let's see that sandwich on the top, please. That's the sandwich. Looks good. And then these are our onion rings.
It's good. It's definitely greasy. I'll be in the gym later, but it's good.
Was it hot? You went down the wrong. Did I get on you? Sorry.
I'll try myself.
Let's see. I'm a lover of onion rings.
Good. All right, beer batter.
It's good. I think the onion rings are my favorite, to be honest.
So chicken strips, chicken tenders, fries. Fries.
I give it like an 8.
You gotta do out of 5. What would you say?
Oh, we're not doing a
Let's say
rating?
Let's say you had to do out of 5.
Out of 5, okay, I give it a, I think a 3.5, 4.
What about 3.5? What about 3.5?
For the strips.
For the strips, yeah.
So you ready to try this?
For this box, I give it a 0 because I can't close this.
Can we cut it in half?
I get a 9.
What is it called again? What's the cluck?
What the cluck?
What the cluck?
Yeah, that's a beautiful sandwich right there.
Let's trade. I want this small. I want pickle though, so make sure. How many pickles you got?
I don't know. I'm not about to do all that. I see your legs shaking. The camera
Oh no,
can't
that's
see that.
it's not good hot.
It's hot.
I mean, I am a little bit. I'm perspiring a little bit.
Yeah, no, it is hot. I'm not gonna fry.
Like, I'm pretty sure my forehead is a little bit moist.
I thought it was gonna be.
Is that hitting? Can you save me some?
I don't know. You see, if I take my head off, it's gonna be like the sweat all up under my head right now.
Yeah, got a little sniffle.
So far, this is probably about 5 times worse than a spicy chicken sandwich from Wendy's.
5 times?
Maybe a little more.
More.
The more I talk, the higher my hunger. I'm gonna have to have my boy Daryl try this. He likes the
You
chicken
don't like
sandwiches.
spicy, do you?
I don't know if he likes spicy.
You don't eat spicy. You about to tear his stomach up. Let me taste your drink.